Going to be using a combination of Eco Wheel Cleaner and Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. Really nice spray pattern on this. I'm going to follow that up. I have a little bit of leftover Meguiar Super Degreaser, so throw that on there just to be safe. Alright, so I'm starting to work on the new M117 here that I pulled out of the junkyard. Cleaned it off as best as I could in the last video you guys saw. Right now we're draining the oil, whole lot of oil in it. Again, I'm really surprised the junkyard left all that in there, but it was really nice because it helped me do a nice, good compression test. Jesus, I hope I don't overflow this thing. Pulled this out. Let's go check out the filter. I haven't looked at it yet. So 13 mil on that to take it off. All right. I'm not gonna fully cut the thing open, but there's no major chunks on here or anything, so it looks okay. Maybe I should take the screen off and really double check it. If you look under there, pretty clean. Nothing really too much going on, so that's a good start. We got a pretty good start with the engine so far. Just nice, thick, chunky black oil, and we'll strain that, see if anything comes out as well. This seems okay. There's no major chunks on this guy, and like we saw, the compression was pretty good on all 7 cylinders except this guy, I believe it was. So 1, 2, 3, cylinder number 3, and we'll go ahead and check that out next. Why there's 20% leakage through the exhaust valve.